Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic last time it actually made it up to 25,000, and then after that it has actually been a little bit down and sideways. But actually not in a bad way because there is no any loss of structure to go to the downside. Even better is that you know what, you're actually holding, you're trying to come and visit the 10 EMA one more time. So we can actually see a little bit of a squeeze coming in the next coming few days until 11th of March. Today's 8. So 3 more days until we actually don't see the 10 coming up here, getting a little bit of a squeeze right there. And if you notice, one more thing is that we also have a doji. Do you see that doji yesterday that closed? That's also a very good statement that, hey, we're still kind of positive. So I think that Luna Classic still has a move coming up here, but it's also important that I check 15 minutes time frame and try to see what we can potentially crack from lower time frame. I don't see anything there. What about the 4 hour? Very significant on the 4 hour time frame as well, but it actually does look to me as if Luna Classic is trying to make some sort of a rounded structure here. So you're going down like this, you're slowly going down, but you're also slowly coming up, which also kind of tell me that we could see something like this and continue all the way until 19th of March. So we could actually see some ups and downs in the next coming 10 days. And when you do this, you finally break above it and you actually push to this technical target of 45,000 up there. So it does look like that is what makes a lot of sense. The second thing that does make a lot of sense is that on the daily time frame we had this one little bit of a pattern that actually did get broken and retested. So if you look at probably this right over here, we actually broke it. So if you notice, that was your resistance, and then you went down and then you broke above it and you retested and you pretty much jumped off this area. So it does look like we don't want to see Luna Classic coming down to 15,000 again and closing below 15,000. Then that would actually open up the doors to correct down to 9,000 one more time. So as long as you're actually above here and you're above the EMAs, I think everything is going to be pretty strong to go to the upside. So let's see what happens in the next 10 days, because I think we kind of looking like to have this rounded off bottom right there. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you with the next round of office.